Nutrition in plants, fertilizers. You must have heard people using the word fertilizer when they talk about plants. You must have guessed that it's some kind of a tonic that helps plants grow better. Let's try to understand what fertilizers are and how they work. Fertilizer is something that we use to help the growth of plants. It can be chemicals or naturally occurring material. We can mix it with the soil or add it through the water that the plant gets. Plants need a lot of nutrients in the right amounts to grow well. They also need the right amount of water and sunlight. A fertilizer helps in getting the right nutrients to the plant. You know that plants need nitrogen in a certain form to grow well. There are two other substances that plants need to grow well too. They are phosphorus and potassium. The main ingredients in fertilizers are nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium in forms that plants can use. Nitrogen helps the plant grow stems, flowers and fruits of a good quality and at good speed. Phosphorus also helps the plant to make chlorophyll which it needs for photosynthesis. Potassium helps the plants fight off diseases. It also helps the plant in photosynthesis. Potassium is also needed for good flowers and fruits. The three main nutrients help in producing a healthy plant. There are other chemicals that plants need in small quantities too. Fertilizers also contain zinc, magnesium, calcium, sulfur, iron. Plants need some nutrients in large quantities. Those are called macronutrients. Plants need some nutrients in small quantities. Those are called micronutrients. Different plants have different requirements of nutrients. That means the same general purpose fertilizer may not work well for all plants. You have to choose the fertilizer based on the plant and what nutrients the soil is missing. When the plant is in the growing stage, it needs more nitrogen as it helps in the growth of strong branches and leaves. When the plant is in the flowering and fruiting stage, it needs more potassium and less nitrogen. Using fertilizer incorrectly can damage the plant and the soil. Too much chemical fertilizer can burn the young leaves and roots. It can also kill helpful organisms in the soil like earthworms. What did we just learn? Plants need many nutrients to grow healthy and to grow well. We can provide these nutrients to the plant through fertilizers. Fertilizers have to be used properly. Incorrectly used fertilizers can cause damage to the plant and soil.